In this lesson we're going to focus on the conclusion, which is probably the most important part of your argument, as it's your final word. And in your conclusion, once you've made good points in the introduction and in the body of your essay, or letter, or speech, because this can be a speech, your final thought must tie ideas together. It must tie ideas together and create a call to action. So we have a call to action here. Here you can see the call to action. Embracing renewable energy. It is our responsibility. Using words that bring people together like responsibility, duty, other words that could be used. It is our obligation. Using our pronoun. It's our responsibility, our duty, our obligation. Making sure it's our. We're not saying it is your, it is their, it is our. Making sure that you're a part of the change. That you're not just throwing this onto the lap of somebody else. That it's our problem. Not your problem, our problem. So that you're involved and you're going to help people with this urgent action on climate change. It's so important to say our. We could also say it's our commitment. Once you've said our duty or our obligation, we can say we can make a commitment to making this happen. And in a collective responsibility to prioritise the health of our planet and secure a sustainable future for generations. The mention of generations means we're helping children, we're helping families, we're helping the future of the human race. A conclusion must be emotive. It must spur emotion, it must create emotion and make a link between sadness, fear and motivation. So to be in a motivational state that we can help the generations and we can do our part to be remembered. When we think about mentioning the future, we're thinking about us as people. How will we be remembered? That is such a powerful statement and something that's so important when it comes to making a conclusion. So again, tie ideas together, so link your ideas, number one. That's the first thing you must do. You must do that first. The second thing is call to action. Try to get people on your side by saying it's our responsibility, it's our duty, our obligation, our commitment to do this. And then try to mention, once you've mentioned our responsibility, this is our cause and this is our effect. It's going to help the generations to come. It's a motive. Our effect is sadness. Our effect is fear. Our effect is motivation. We're trying to make people realise, wake up and say, okay, this planet needs our help. And that's our problem. Not your problem, our problem. We want to help the children and families of the future. And how will we be remembered? That's something we could add at the end. How will we be remembered? That would be a fantastic closing phrase.